By increasing interest in programming languages and number of students taking these courses, the amount of energy required for managing a programming course with assignments and coding exams rise exponentially, which resulted in a substantial decrease in the quality. The project Meepo tries to solve this problem by building a system that will make this learning and evaluation process much easier and more responsive for both students and instructors. The main component of the system is an Eclipse plugin, which controls all the connection between a student and enrolled courses. The plugin creates a new view component in Eclipse for itself. It will act as a dashboard for all the plugin-related operations. From the dashboard, the students can log into their accounts, which is linked to different repositories according to the enrolled courses for that user. Upon login, these repositories will be cloned to the workspace if they do not already exist. In the home page, the user can see all the enrolled courses and should select one and load the course to proceed. When a course is selected, the other tabs will be reloaded with the contents of that course. Using these tabs, user can access to some meta information about the course, lecture notes, assigned projects, and homeworks. The instructor can upload the lecture notes to the system, and all the notes will be accessible to the students and can be viewed within Eclipse. When a lecture note is opened, the internal browser of the Eclipse will display the lecture. The lecture is an HTML file, so images, hyperlinks, and basic formatting, especially for code, are possible. The sample code in the lecture is also cloned to the local workspace of the student. By clicking this button, the plugin automatically opens the sample file in the editor, edit, modify, and run. The user can also navigate through the Lectures tab for easy access to the samples. Using the system, projects and homeworks can be assigned as well. The instructor may provide some initial source code for an example. Each student will have his own local copy in his repository, ready to work on it. In this case, we see a new project for this course. By clicking Open, the project will be imported to the Project Explorer from the workspace. The user can modify the project, and add new files when necessary. When the user clicks Commit, the system will ask for a commit message, and all the progress so far will be committed to the server with a code versioning system. When the user logins to the system from a different computer, he will see that the latest version of the project will be cloned from the server, and he can start working on the project right away. When the user decides that he is done with the project, he can use plugin to submit the project for grading. When the Submit button is clicked, the system checks if it is still applicable for submission. If the deadline has not passed yet, another commit is made to save last changes, and the latest version is also submitted to the server for grading. The user can submit the same project multiple times before the deadline, and the server will only evaluate the last one for grading. We believe that Meepo will significantly improve the quality of programming courses by decreasing the necessary human resource and providing a comprehensive development environment embedded in Eclipse. Instructor tasks will be automated and error-free, while students will be able to learn and experience programming in a more interactive and responsive platform.